Hi there, I'm Kahlani of Kahlani Wellness. Thank you for being here today. This is a short meditation for inner balance and protection. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down if you prefer, and close your eyes. Start taking some deep breaths. This is a time to go inward, and any worries, thoughts, preoccupations you may be having will still be there to be thought about later. Right now, this is a time for you to focus on your own well-being. Take another deep breath and imagine a laser beam connecting you from your root chakra located at your tailbone all the way down to the center of the earth, and at the same time imagine another laser beam connecting you from your crown chakra at the top of your head all the way up to the sky. Visualize these laser beams reaching up and down, and see yourself as a bridge between the earth and the sky. You are connected and you feel perfectly balanced. As you breathe in, imagine you're inhaling a beautiful positive energy into your body through these laser beams. And breathing out, release any stress, negativity, worries and fears back to the earth and the sky. Inhale and exhale. If any thoughts come to you, simply notice them and gently send them on their way. You have nothing to do but sit and focus on your breath, on inhaling this beautiful energy and releasing anything you no longer need. Deep inhale. Now visualize a sphere around you, an aura, something like an eggshell surrounding you. This shell is made up of golden light, and it shines very brightly. It is wrapping you in a sense of peace and protection. It's like sitting in the sun with your eyes closed. You can feel the light and the warmth of the sun. And as you breathe in, you see this golden light that is surrounding you, now entering your aura, your shell, and starting from the crown of your head, you breathe in this golden protective light as it drops down around and into your forehead, over your eyes, your cheeks, your neck. This light is completely covering you and filling up your aura. Inhale as it moves down your shoulders, into your chest, all the way down your arms to your fingertips. Your solar plexus, your belly, your back, your hips, and your legs, all the way down to your toes. This golden light now fills the shell completely, and you can feel it inside and outside your body, shining brightly, radiating this peace and positivity. And this light is so strong that it even radiates over to your family, your loved ones, friends, even people you've never met, strangers passing in the street, people living in different countries and on different continents, animals even. All living beings can feel this golden light radiating from you, and you send out this peace, positivity and protection into the universe. You share this energy, knowing that you have more than enough and that it will always find its way back to you. Inhale and exhale. Enjoy this sense of calm and inner balance, knowing that everything is as it should be. Everything is fine, is great, is perfect, and you feel perfectly balanced and protected. Inhale and smile to yourself and to the universe. Exhale and realize you feel joyful. Now, slowly start noticing the sounds, the movement, life outside of your shell, knowing that this shield, this aura of protection will stay with you for the rest of the day. You have nothing to worry about. You are perfectly protected. Take another deep breath in, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Bring your hands in prayer in front of your heart and bow to yourself for taking this time for yourself, for your well-being. And bow to all living creatures on this planet, wishing them peace. Thank you for listening. I'll see you soon. Namaste.